The world runs on water, vast oceans connect continents, billions of tons of cargo traverse these maritime highways each year. Food, fuel, electronics, and raw materials all depend on safe passage. This global trade is the lifeblood of modern economies. Ensuring the security of these vital sea lanes is not merely a naval concern, it is a global imperative. Threats to maritime trade are as old as seafaring itself. Pirates once roamed the seas in wooden ships armed with cutlasses and cannons. Today, the threats are more sophisticated. They range from state-sponsored actors to well-equipped non-state groups. They employ fast boats, drones, and even anti-ship missiles. The challenge for naval forces is to adapt constantly. They must counter these evolving dangers with advanced technology and highly trained personnel. One crucial element in this modern defense is aerial overwatch. Helicopters operating from warships or coastal bases extend the eyes and reach of naval forces. Perched at the open door of these helicopters are the door gunners. These individuals are a critical line of defense. Among the tools at their disposal, few are as formidable as heavy machine guns. This essay will delve into the GAU-21. We will explore its capabilities, the training of its operators, and its role in confronting modern maritime threats. The GAU-21, also known commercially as the M3M, is not an entirely new invention. Its lineage traces back to the legendary Browning M2 machine gun. FN Herstal, a renowned Belgian arms manufacturer, took this proven design and significantly enhanced it for modern applications. They focused on making it lighter, increasing its rate of fire, and improving its reliability in harsh maritime environments. This machine gun fires the potent .50 BMG, or 12.7 by 99mm NATO cartridge. The GAU-21 boasts an impressive cyclical rate of fire. It can unleash between 950 and 1,100 rounds per minute. Its effective range can extend out to 1,800 meters or nearly 2 kilometers. Versatility is a hallmark of the GAU-21 system. It is commonly found mounted on various helicopters. Special pintle mounts allow for a wide arc of fire, essential for a door gunner tracking targets. Beyond helicopters, the GAU-21 can also be mounted on naval vessels. The GAU-21 can fire several types of .50 caliber ammunition. The destructive power of these rounds makes the GAU-21 a decisive tool. Becoming a door gunner, especially one entrusted with the GAU-21, is not a simple task. The selection process is demanding. Candidates are typically drawn from enlisted ranks. They must demonstrate physical fitness, mental acuity, and a calm demeanor under pressure. Good eyesight and spatial awareness are critical. They need to be able to spot and track targets from a moving, vibrating platform. Perhaps most importantly, they must possess sound judgment. Once selected, the intensive training begins. The first phase involves detailed familiarization with the GAU-21 itself. Trainees learn its mechanical operation, assembly, and disassembly. They master loading procedures and how to clear malfunctions quickly and efficiently. Safety is paramount. Hours are spent on safe weapon handling both on the ground and in simulated aerial environments. The next stage focuses on advanced gunnery skills. Firing accurately from a moving helicopter requires compensating for numerous variables. Finally, crew coordination is heavily emphasized. A door gunner does not operate in isolation. This cohesive teamwork transforms a group of individuals into an effective fighting unit. The Houthis, officially known as Ansar Allah, are a Zaidi Shia movement. They emerged in northern Yemen during the 1990s. By 2014, they had taken control of Yemen's capital, Sana'a, and much of the country's northwest. A key aspect of this projection involves their activities in the Red Sea and the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. This narrow waterway is one of the world's most critical maritime choke points. Houthi forces have demonstrated an evolving and increasingly sophisticated array of maritime threat capabilities. Initially, these primarily involved small, fast attack craft, often laden with explosives or armed with machine guns and rocket-propelled grenades. More recently, their arsenal has expanded. It now includes naval mines, waterborne improvised explosive devices, unmanned surface vehicles, and even anti-ship cruise missiles and ballistic missiles. The impact of these Houthi maritime activities on international shipping has been substantial. Major shipping companies have been forced to reroute their vessels. Countering these Houthi maritime threats is therefore of paramount strategic importance. International naval coalitions have been formed to patrol these waters. The ability to rapidly respond to threats from the air, utilizing assets like helicopters equipped with the GAU-21, is a crucial component of this multinational security effort. Imagine a U.S. Navy MH-60R Seahawk helicopter. It is on a routine maritime security patrol. The sun beats down on the Red Sea's turquoise waters. Below, a steady stream of container ships and oil tankers transit the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. The helicopter crew is vigilant. They scan the horizon for any signs of unusual activity. The door gunner, secured by a harness, keeps a watchful eye. His GAU-21 machine gun is loaded and ready. Suddenly, the helicopter's sensors pick up something. Several small, fast-moving craft are rapidly approaching a large merchant vessel. They are not responding to radio calls. Their erratic movements and high speed are classic indicators of a potential attack. The helicopter commander quickly assesses the situation. He directs the aircraft to intercept. The Seahawk banks sharply, its rotors thumping the air. It closes the distance to the suspicious boats. The door gunner focuses his attention. He acquires the lead boat in his sights. His training kicks in. He remains calm, his movements precise and economical. As the helicopter nears, the crew attempts to warn off the approaching craft. They use loudspeakers and signal flares. The rules of engagement are strict. Lethal force is a last resort. However, the boats continue their aggressive approach towards the merchant ship. The helicopter commander gives the order to engage. The GAU-21 machine gun serves as more than just a weapon for direct engagement. Its very presence acts as a powerful deterrent. Potential adversaries, whether pirates, smugglers, or state-sponsored actors, are aware of its capabilities. The sight of a helicopter armed with a .50 caliber machine gun can be enough to make them reconsider hostile actions. This deterrent effect is invaluable. It helps to maintain stability and prevent incidents before they escalate. The GAU-21's role extends far beyond counter-piracy or confronting threats like those posed by the Houthis. It is a versatile tool used in a wide range of maritime security operations. Naval forces employ it during counter-smuggling missions. It can disable the engines of go-fast boats used by traffickers. It helps protect offshore oil and gas platforms from potential sabotage or attack. It can provide defensive fire for boarding teams conducting inspections on suspect vessels. The GAU-21 also enhances the overall maritime domain awareness of naval forces. Helicopters equipped with this weapon can conduct armed reconnaissance. The GAU-21 heavy machine gun is a formidable instrument of maritime defense. Its .50 caliber rounds and reliability make it crucial in naval engagements. From the Red Sea to other contested regions, it provides essential protection. It empowers naval forces to counter diverse threats. These range from small attack craft to sophisticated systems. But its effectiveness isn't just mechanical. The human element is crucial. The skill and professionalism of door gunners are paramount. They undergo rigorous training, learning to make split-second decisions under pressure, operating in challenging environments. Their dedication ensures responsible and effective use. Maritime threats are constantly evolving, requiring ongoing vigilance. Future challenges will need further advancements. Naval forces must invest in research and development. The GAU-21, wielded by skilled door gunners, is vital for maritime security. Their service is a cornerstone of global stability.